Unit 6, Lesson 8, Choosing the Correct Pronoun. Grade 7 and 8 English, May 7th, 2020. Welcome to English class, 7th and 8th graders. We are going to work on with a new lesson. You are going to need your English book open to page 327, and we're going to get right into it. Okay, remember pronouns take the place of a noun. So occasionally you may need to use the pronouns we or us with nouns for identification or special emphasis. So for example, the dancers want music, but we readers want silence. So the emphasis there obviously being we. The dancers won't let us readers have peace. Okay. If you are using we or us with a noun, use the pronoun case you would use if the noun were not there. So in other words, nominative, making it the subject. So like, we girls will sing soon. So if you're trying to figure out what to put there, like do you put we or us? Get rid of girls. What sounds better? Us will sing soon or we will sing soon? Okay, it would be we. And nominative means, remember, it's the subject of the sentence. So if you get confused, get rid of the noun and say it without the noun, and that'll help you determine which pronoun to use. In the objective case, you should join us altos in the back row. Again, if you got rid of this, it would be you should join us in the back row. Okay? Now objective means it's the object of the sentence. You should join who? Us. Okay? Okay, so let's take a look at the try it out section. Your assignment is going to be numbers 1 through 22. We're going to take a look. There's 2 try it out sections. So let's look at page 327, and we're going to look at number 1. And it says, which sentences are correct? If a sentence is incorrect, how should it be corrected? So we look at number 1. The bus will pick up us violinists to go to the workshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the sentence and get rid of violinists. And I'm just going to say it with us. The bus will pick up us to go to the workshop. We'll pick up we, us. I would say that's correct. So number 1 is correct. So number 2, we students will listen to professionals. We'll get rid of students. We will listen to professionals. Number 2 is correct. Number 3, us amateurs. Well, let's get rid of amateurs. Us will certainly no. So it needs to be we amateurs. Number 4, the conductor directed we violinists to our places. Let's get rid of violinists. The conductor directed we to our places. The conductor directed us. It would be us violinists to our places. Number 5, us lucky ones will never forget the workshop. Us will never forget the workshop. We will never forget the workshop. It would be we lucky ones. Okay, do you get the hint? So, I mean, like I say, just lose the regular noun, keep the pronoun in there, and that'll help you know what to do. Okay, so turn to page 328. So you often use pronouns when you make comparisons. Be sure they are complete, if not, add words to make them complete. So, incomplete. I like the viola better than she. You're not going to say that. Another incomplete. Suki plays as well as he. All right, now let's look at complete. So they're saying if not, if they're incomplete, like here, if not, add words. So I like the viola better than she likes it. That makes much better sense. Rather than Suki plays as well as he, Suki plays as well as he plays. So in other words, you add words on so that it makes more sense. The pronouns used in comparison may change depending on the meaning you have in mind, okay? So for example, he likes music as much as her. He likes music as much as he likes her. So look at that again. He likes music as much as her. So not saying she likes music, because then you would have she, but he likes music as much as he likes her. When he says he likes music as much as she, then you're saying he likes music as much as she likes music. So let's take a look at the try it out on page 328. Choose a correct pronoun, and if a sentence has 2 possible answers, explain your choice. You do not have to explain your choice, okay? Let's just keep moving here. So number 6, why is Rose a better musician than I or me? Now this one's a tricky one because if you would say it, it would make sense to say me, right? Why is Rose a better musician than me? But then you have to think about what is the subject of the sentence. So this is a tricky one. It sounds weird, but number 6 is actually I. Okay, let's look at number 7. Brad and I practiced more than her or more than she. So you need to think to yourself, Brad and I practiced more than her practices or more than she practices. So you got to kind of put those extra words in there, and then that would be she. Number 8, we know our music as well as she knows her music, or we know our music as well as her, which would also mean as well as we know her. Either one. Yay, put either one, it's fine. Number 9, same thing. People listen to Rose more than we listen to her, or people listen to Rose more than us. People listen to Rose more than they'll listen to us. So that's either one. Number 10, Brad gives me more advice than she gives me advice, or gives me more advice than her. More advice than he gives to her. Either one is fine. And number 11, I should listen to her more than he listens to her, or I should listen to her more than him, more than I listen to him. Either is fine. That's kind of a weird section because like either one's fine, so I guess you can't get that one wrong at all. All right, so then we're moving on here. You are to do, I'm looking at your assignment for today, you're supposed to do numbers 1 through 22. So numbers 12 through 16, rewrite each sentence correctly. There are some things that are wrong in there. I'm looking here. Wanted to give you a little bit of a clue about 14 and 15. Remember when we looked back at number 6, how we had that I in there? So 14 and 15, it sounds right, but you're going to have to change the last words for number 14 and 15, okay? So make sure that, I'm kind of giving you a hint with that, make sure that you change it to make it correct. So especially for 14 and 15, the last words in those sentences. Number 17, write the sentence correctly. In this part of a biography, there are 6 errors in pronoun case. So make sure you find them, highlight them, underline them, do what you need to do. And I look forward to seeing your work. Good job, 7th and 8th graders.